Five little froggies sitting on a pad, hopping and bouncing, feeling so glad. One jumped high, said, "Wee, what fun!" Splash! Now there are only four, not one. Counting down, hop, hop, ribbit, ribbit. One jumps off. Can you guess who did it? Hop, hop, counting's fun. Now there's only four. Let's jump one by one. 4 to 1, quick countdown. Four little froggies playing all day. One took a leap and splashed away. Now there's 3 hopping so free. Who will be next? Let's wait and see. 3 little froggies wiggled their toes. One jumped in, there he goes. Now there's 2, still having fun, but one more jump and there's only one. Oh, yeah. One little froggy all alone looked around and then was gone. No more froggies, the pad is bare, but look in the pond, they're all swimming there.